this is Maryam from Crochet Chillpill, and today we want to learn how to make a double crochet. To get started, I made 10 chains. For a single crochet, we skip the first chain. For half double crochet, we skip 2 chains. And for a double crochet, we skip 3 chains. So yarn over and insert your hook in the 4th chain from the hook. I work in back loops. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. So yarn over and pull the yarn through 2 loops. Again, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And those skipped 3 chains count as 1 double crochet. So now we have 2 double crochets. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the loop, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Continue to the last chain of the row. So let's see, 10 chains give us how many double crochets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Those first skipped 3 chains count as 1 double crochet. For the next row, chain 3 and turn your work. Those chains count as our first double crochet, so we skip the first stitch and double crochet in the second one. Make double crochets all across the row. We should make the last double crochet in the 3rd chain of those 3 chains that we skipped at the beginning of row 1. Work in 2 loops of it to have a cleaner work. I did a few more rows and you can see that it's not so straight, and also we have gaps after those 3 chains that we have at the beginning of the work. So let's solve this problem. So at the end of the row, we don't chain 3 and turn your work without any chains. Make a single crochet in the very first stitch. Now you will see 2 loops, one is next to the hook and one is far from the hook. Insert your hook in the loop far from the hook and make another single crochet. Do it once more so that we have 3 single crochets into each other. These 3 single crochets count as our first double crochet, and continue making double crochets as usual all across the row. And do the last double crochet in the 3rd chain of those skipped 3 chains. For the next row, do the last double crochet in the 3rd single crochet of those 3 single crochets that we did into each other. There you go! We have almost straight edges and almost no gaps at the beginning of the row. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in next videos. Bye!